Hey guys! So I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to put on these nail decals. If you've gotten these, you know what I'm talking about. I have all different kinds of images on these. If you've gotten these, they're really easy. They really are. So I'm just gonna show you really quickly how to put them on, okay? So there's these two you might have gotten. I already opened one up. I'm gonna do the rainbow one. Okay, so what you do is you need to have some scissors. Okay, scissors, a bowl of water, really easy, and that's it. They work best on light colored nails. The instructions are actually written on the back, so if you have any questions, they're there. But I'm gonna just go ahead really quickly and show you how to do these. I have dark nails. I've already done my nails, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did these. I'm gonna put on this little flower. So what you do is you cut around each one like pretty close to the edge that you can. So I'm gonna do this flower one, and I'm just gonna go around it as close as I can, and then but I'll show it to you on another color of nail strips that I have so you can kind of get an idea, okay? But I'm just cutting around the little image. So I cut out this. See how I did the little flower? Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in the water. Just either way, it doesn't matter. Let it sink, make sure it's submerged. And then wait just a couple seconds. Really, it doesn't take long at all. So then we're gonna take it out. I would say 3 seconds. See, it's already coming off of the little white film. Can you see that? And it's wet. So I'm just gonna, you can use your finger and just slide it right off. I'm gonna pull it on the edge like that. And see, I took off the white backing, and then I'm just gonna lay it right on top of my nail. See? Easy. Whoops. Hold on, let me slide it on there so you can see. And then you're gonna have to wait. You can't see it because it's so dark on my finger. I mean, my fingers are so super dark. They work better whenever they're on like white or pastels or glitter. But anyway, you put it on there. And then you put fingernail polish on top of that, and you do it a couple times so that it kind of seals it. But let me show you the one that I just did a little while ago. And I put it on this glitter that I really like. So look, here is a nail strip, and it's a glitter one, and you see how you can see it pretty good. I did the rainbow. I cut it out and I put it on top of there so that you could get an idea of it whenever it's on lighter colors like glitter, pastel colors. White is like obviously a good one because look at how they look like on white, right? But I love doing the rainbow on glitter. So see how the nail strip, you can see the rainbow pretty clearly from far away. I love it. So that's it. You just make sure you put it on your nail, and you put fingernail polish over it, and a couple times let it dry, and they should last a long time. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll put this on, this will be in a few different places, but check the comments below. Bye.